Here with Coach Huxell from Roger Bacon. Jorian Hudson, Solomon Tentman just signed with the University of Cincinnati. Coach, tell us a little bit about each player and what they brought to your program.
Well, both of them are super individuals to start with. Solomon was probably the leader, the heart and soul of our team. Kids really followed him. Great player. And he always worked hard. You know, if you're looking for somebody with a work ethic, he's definitely got it. Jorian is the big athlete on the team, the playmaker. When we needed to play, we could go to him. He played outstanding in the defensive secondary for us, and we're just proud of both of these young men that they've accomplished.
Obviously great athletes, but both of them are great people. What type of people is the University of Cincinnati getting in these two young men?
Oh, they're getting the best young men. Solomon was the type of kid who would be here in the evenings when we bring in our young kids and help them and teach them how to live, teach them what it was like to be a Spartan. And Jorian was just always around working real hard, setting an example. He's a quiet young man, but he leads by his example of his work ethic.
And Coach Combs obviously being retained on staff, how much did that help in the process of easing the coaching transition?
I think it helped a lot. It made our guys feel they were still welcome, and he made sure that they felt that way. So he helped a lot being here and reassuring those guys that UC was the place for them.
Did you get a chance to meet with Coach Jones at all?
Yes, I met Coach Jones.
Any impressions on him?
It's early to tell. Everything I've heard, he's a great guy, and we're looking forward for his tenure in Cincinnati.
All right, thanks a lot, Coach. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.